ng playlist mo kanina?
Inspiration. Parang ano lang, parang soundtrack ng buhay ko. Yun lang.
Buhay as in life in general or this phase in time lang?
This time siguro at the moment, ito yung sound niya. So, just wanna play. And yun. Ano yung what it feels like every day. Kasi kaya ako. I don't know. I have too much to drink.
Saan galing yung Loveless Love?
Loveless Love. I've been using that name a decade ago.
Wow!
I have a blog before. It's in Tumblr. Tapos, I got the Loveless word from my Bloody Valentine
Album, okay.
Tapos, I was loveless that time. So you know, been single for quite a while. So I got the name. My
Alter ego?
yeah, the alter ego, my DJ name.
Okay. How long have you been doing this in Today X Future?
It's been like 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, been 2 years. On and off. Not a regular thing, but I'm doing part-time DJ. I'm not playing in the band.
Speaking of the band, here's John Paul, Mike,
I have work, you know.
the late Mike Docusi.
Minsan, bago kaya. Bagong
Na ng babae pa sa Cubao.
Nauna lang siya sa akin na ilang minutes.
Hoy, excuse me.
Mabot na siya sa tiyan.
Excuse me. Oo.
Di talaga ako aabot.
Buman.
Di talaga ako aabot.
Cut.
Baka lang nga.
Gusto ba?
Kunyari na lang walang camera.
Todo pasa.
Kasi in-interview ko rin siya kanina.
Todo pasa.
So, anong
Bigyan mo kayo ng context.
sige, anong inspiration na playlist mo mamaya?
Wala. Ano lang yung mapatugtog ko kasi
Anything goes.
hindi ko pinaplano yung hindi naman talaga ako DJ.
Anything
So
goes.
ano lang yung nasa playlist ko. Play lang ng play.
Fair enough.
So, teka lang. Dito tayo ngayon kasama ang mga DJs for the night, spinners for the night.
I will not spin, but Eric and Jerome will.
So, na-interview ko na si Eric kanina para sa vlog ko to. Kasama natin ngayon si Jerome. Next na siya. Dito live ba niya?
Kailangan nag-north uli
Pero saan ka talaga usually nag-stay?
sa BF. Yun lang talaga umiikot. So,
Welcome to the North.
welcome to the north. Not unless pag may pupil gig, nag-north kami. Pero yung hangout lang, mga ganito, rent lang ulit.
Ayan.
Anong bar? Anong bar sa PM?
Bar eh, bahay.
Bahay lang.
Bahay lang.
Homegrown.
More like sound trip
Oo,
kind of
sound trip,
stay.
bili ng yellow, bili ng
Ng alak,
Oo,
okay na.
tapos-
Sol.
sound trip na lang.
Nako-conscious ka ba? Okay lang.
Okay.
Nahiyain kasi si Jerome eh.
Lalo na si Eric. Yung DJ, may DJ name ka rin ba?
Yung citrus beer, yun yung parang parang side project ko ever since 2000 pa. So parang yung mga indie poppers, MIRC pa nun eh.
Under the down.
So yun yung
Sabi yung MIR.
yun yung pseudonym ko doon, yung username ko doon.
Citrus beer.
Tapos parang na-connect na sa kanila.
Pero yung citrus wala ang side project na
May mga composition lang ako sa bahay na inaano ko lang.
SoundCloud or MySpace na dati?
Meron dati meron, tapos tinanggal ko na.
Sayang.
So this has been ongoing, parang project siya na ongoing for over a decade na.
Oo, parang ano lang siya. Yun lang yung saan ako nakikilala sa mga indie poppers at saka sa mga showcase, yun yung pangalan na kasi yung mga tao rin doon, mga tiga MIRC. Ganun lang din.
So, hindi ako makarecover sa MIRC reference because why napunta mo naman, grabe ka.
Madami yung mga DJ names ngayon galing rin sa MIRC dati sila yung kila Jeff, yung kila Richard,
Anong room?
hindi Papa tsaka Mashpit.
Ako kasi nung nag-IRC ako, nangingilang ako ng internet access, password gusto. Salis na ako.
Madaming drama sa IRC.
Balita ko nga eh.
ICQ pa.
So, anong difference ng scene like over 10 years ago sa ngayon?
10 years ago, so 2009.
Over, well, nung nag-umpisa pa lang yung DJ or spinning.
Okay.
Ano?
Kasi parang when you say decade ago, parang kailan lang yun. Dapat mas tayo.
Over a decade. Yung nag-umpisa pa lang yung spinning adventure. Kumpara sa ngayon, ano difference?
Technology. Yun, pero may gamit ka na. Ano pa ba? Yung access mo sa mga songs. Kasi dati, nung early, talagang Tower Records or mag-order ka pa sa
Invitation board, that was way
So, mas accessible na ngayon daw.
accessible na ngayon. Tsaka, ang daming bago. Hindi katulad dati na ma-absorb mo pa siya. Yung kung ano yung ano mo, ma-absorb mo talaga. Kasi, well, konti pa lang yung nagre-records noon. Not like now that ang daming dumarating na meron na lang laptop. In 30 minutes, makakagawa na siya ng kanta, tapos upload na niya. Sobrang ganda. Yeah.
So, is it a pro or a con? Or parehas may
Actually, mas gusto ko ngayon. Kasi talagang, ano na siya. Madami kang maririnig. Iba-iba. Sobra.
easy access. Pero if, for me iba pa rin yung pinaghihirapan mo, yung way back. Iba pa rin yung dinaanan mo, yung pinaghihirapan mo siya. So, yun, pero magkaiba naman talaga.
Ibang experience kasi din yung, like you said, may oras ka para i-savor din yung yung may oras ka para
nabili mo talaga siya in physical may mga sleeves pa, album cover.
Ngayon kasi parang mas
Digital na.
fast-paced lahat. Salamat. Thank you for granting us
Thank you. Veronica and I love that band.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Hello.
Paano kami? Hindi namin yung ako.
Hi. So, this is the guy responsible for the indie pop / new wave / shoegaze playlist earlier.
Brazilian disco.
Your DJ name and hip hop name?
My
or
DJ
rapper
name is Cheeseburger XL.
Cheeseburger
XL.
XL. Alright. Can you tell us anong background ng DJ name?
My DJ name? Well, I wanted something that would stand out. That's not, that's not normal. But still, with reference to my hip hop roots.
Akala ko with reference to food.
And food. Who doesn't
Okay.
like cheeseburgers?
I know, right?
Who doesn't like Cheeseburger XL?
I agree.
That's it. Yeah.
And ano yung inspiration na playlist mo kanina?
I think inspiration of playlist ko. Wala, I just like life circumstances and something that will fit the crowd tonight, but with still just keeping it moving. I know it's gonna be a shoegaze night, but you know, that's my game. I'm confident about my game as a DJ, so that it's still like I want to play a little bit of something for everyone. I just don't think about myself. Yeah.
That's nice.
So that's it.
I was really impressed about the range of the genres that you played.
Okay.
Is that how you usually go? Like, ano yung feel ng crowd?
Yeah,
when you're-
I think about the crowd. That's the first thing that I think
Yeah.
about. If I'm driving by myself, I'll play for myself. That's a different story. But if I'm playing for in a night like this, shoegaze night, but you know, it would be silly for me to just play what I like. You know, I can do that in my own time, but you know, this is for everybody. So I want to play a little bit for
You
everybody.
think of other people.
That
Yeah,
is very considerate.
No, that's important as a DJ. You have to look at who's around you and play something that's close to what you feel that they're gonna be happy. And at the end of the day, you know, that's the role of a DJ. You know, you have to make them feel like a little bit of something.
Yeah.
Sometimes I make left turns, but I always try to, you know, try to pull it back around. So that's
I
it.
guess that's a way of you like interacting and connecting to the audience.
Yeah. I want to see who's listening.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes a part of being a DJ is you have to be playful by nature. You know, that's why you get into it in the first place, right? That's
I like
why
the playful
you have to
nature
be
of this
playful. You have to be open. So it's just-
Okay, picture in between interviews. Okay. So, since you're also playing dito live,
Dito idea,
since you're also playing for Bangkok crowd, ano yung napansin mong difference between North Manila or like Manila in general?
Thai audience, like they're really into UK stuff, like, and Filipinos are they like American stuff. Mas Anglo-centric sila.
or Western.
No, it's other side of the
Other side of the pond.
other side of the pond.
Yeah.
So ano na yun? So this is my personal observation. So that, but we're both very much into music. It's the modern age. It's not the 90s. You know, it all boils down to personal taste. But like cultural preference, you know,
In general.
they like UK stuff, and Filipinos like American stuff. Yeah, take that as you will. That's just my observation.
It is interesting. Interesting take on your like observation. Kasi I don't know, maybe people from the bus night scene mas UK sila.
Yeah.
And-
No, yeah.
But in general, Filipinos
general, yeah.
are into Americans nga. Oh, I agree.
American stuff in
Yeah.
general. Of course, like I'm proud of the Buzz Night. Like I started going to Buzz Night in 2002. I'm not kidding.
Wow.
Yeah, 2002. Alice. Yes, seriously. Like, and it stands the test of time. The people who went there went on to do, you know, and that's the legacy of subculture. Diba? Of a scene at that time. That was 2002. It's now 2019. So it's 17 years since, and so we're still carrying it.
It's crazy, no? Parang kung iisipin mo, hindi naman siya ganun katagal, pero...
Matagal siya!
No!
Gumawa ka ng bata na may 17-year-old na bata na.
Well, pag iniisip ko kasi, like, college is not that far. Pero,
Yeah.
parang pag ngayon naisip ko, 2019, seriously?
It's a long time.
Yeah.
And if it came, we were going there at the time that we were still forming our identity as human beings.
Yes.
And you know, we still carry it to this day. There's something sincere about it, and that's something that I'm proud to have been part of. And you guys too. You know?